Sienna. I'm going to guide us through a 15-minute short, easy, digestible practice. This practice specifically is geared for any tenderness in the lower back. So when you're ready, just come onto your mat. What we'll need today is maybe 2 blocks and a strap if you have it, otherwise we can work around. So we'll take the first couple of moments to just ground. Hands can rest gently on the lap. Find the longest expression of your spine available in the moment. And if it feels safe in your body, you'll bring the eyes to a gentle close. So notice the quality of the breath. Rise and fall of the belly as you inhale. We'll open the practice together. So we'll take a deep breath in through the nose, fill all the way. And as you exhale, long, slow breath out. Do 2 more just like that. As you exhale. One more. Deep inhale in through the nose. Long, slow breath out. Your eyes are still closed. On your next breath in, take the arms up overhead. Feel yourself expanding through the torso. Interlace the above the head as the palms away. And as you exhale, chin comes down towards your chest, palms reach forward, find a gentle rounding in the spine. Inhale, arms reach up, crown reaches up towards the sky. As you exhale, round your spine, chin to chest. We'll do 2 more just like this. Start to move the spine. Inhale, arms reach up. Exhale, round your spine, chin to chest. Do 1 more. Inhale, arms reach up. And as you exhale, round your spine, chin to chest. On this next inhale, take the arms up. Release the fingers and catch your left wrist. As you exhale, take your torso over towards the right side. Take a gentle side stretch. 1 more breath here. Long breath out. Inhale brings you back to center, arms reach up. As you exhale, take your torso over towards the left. Gaze comes towards your right elbow. Big inhale as you reach and open the right side. Long, slow. On your next breath in, take the arms back up overhead. Inhale, get nice and long. And as you exhale, hands come through prayer. We're going to begin to transition onto our backs and just find some gentle movements that'll help relieve some back pain. So nice and slow. Come lower onto your back, knees can stay bent. And then the right knee will come in towards your chest, the left knee will come in towards your chest. You start by giving yourself a gentle rock. So you feel the sacrum being massaged, that little triangular bone at the back of the pelvis. Go ahead and bring your hands to the tops of the thighs as you straighten the arms. We'll start to find some hip circles. So nice and slow as you inhale, start to reach the knees away from each other and pull them back together. Inhale, knees reach forward and pull them back together, just exploring the range of motion with the hips. And the next time that the knees come together, let's take it in the opposite direction. Pull away, and forward. We'll do 2 more just like that, nice and slow. 1 more. The next time that the knees come together, you'll hold here, feel a gentle rock side to side. You'll keep the right knee hugging in, the left leg will extend forward. Point and flex both circles, just continuing to arrive in the body. And we'll find some stillness as you keep the left heel hovering, left leg is active by flexing the foot and pressing through the heel. We'll take 3 deep full breaths here. In through the nose, out through the nose. 2 more just like that, breathe in. And out. 1 more deep breath in. And out. Take 1 more inhale here, and as you exhale, you switch. Left knee comes in, right leg extends forward. Cover the right heel, find some ankle circles, spread the toes, moving in one direction and then the other. And start to find some stillness, find some activation through that right leg as you press through the heel. We'll take 3 full breaths here, in and out. 2 more just like that, breathe in. Out. Deep breath in. And out. Take an inhale here, and as you exhale, right knee meets the left. Give yourself a little rock here, side to side. And when you're ready, soles of the feet will meet the mat. Feet are about hips width distance apart, toes pointing forward. Knees point up towards the sky and the hands are down by your side. Feel yourself pressing down through the hands, pressing down through the feet. Move down through the back of the head and the backs of the shoulders, and on your inhale, you'll lift the hips. Hold here as you exhale. Take another breath as you lift the hips a little higher. And as you exhale, you'll lower the hips halfway to a hovering point. And inhale, press into your feet, hips lift. We'll find 10 just like this, nice and slow on your breath. Inhale, hips rise. Exhale, they lower. Starting to strengthen the back body, the glutes, the hamstrings, all of the stabilizing muscles that are going to help with the back. That's fine. 3 more. Inhale, you press up. Exhale, you come down. Inhale, hips press up. Exhale, you come down. Let's find 1 more. Inhale, press into your feet, lift the hips high, and let's hold here. Let's see if you can shimmy your shoulder blades together on the back body. Maybe the hands interlace and you press down through the forearms. Keep pressing into your feet, keep lifting your hips. There's an energetic pull of your chin towards your heart and your heart towards your chin, and we'll hold here for 3 deep full breaths. In and out. In and out. 1 more inhale, press into your feet. And then as you exhale, release the hands from underneath you. Bring the hips all the way down. Find a cactus position with your arms as you rest the backs of the hands on the ground. Take an inhale as you drop both knees over towards the right and look towards your left. Hold there as you exhale. Take another breath. Then use your exhale to pull your knees and your neck back to neutral. Inhale takes you out. Knees come out towards the left, gaze goes towards the right. 1 breath, 1 movement, resetting the pelvis here. Take a breath. Exhale brings you back to center. Inhale takes you out towards the right and towards the left. Exhale brings you up. Let's find 3 more. Inhale, knees drop towards the left, gaze towards the right. Exhale pulls you back to center. Inhale, knees towards the right, gaze towards the left. Exhale, pull to up, center. Let's go one more each side. Inhale, takes you up. Exhale, pulls you in. Last one, here we go. Inhale, knees out towards the right, gaze towards the left. Exhale, bring it back to center. Let it slide the hands back down by your side and draw one knee in at a time towards your chest. Give yourself a gentle rock here, side to side. Then if you have a block available, you're going to go ahead and reach for a block. Release the soles of the feet down towards the ground. Let's bring the block onto the lowest level. When you're ready, press into your feet, lift your hips. The block slides underneath that triangular bone at the back of the pelvis. You release the pelvis down. Then hold here for a moment, palms face upward. Let's take a deep breath in. And as you exhale, allow the sacrum to surrender onto the block, inviting a feeling of trust and safety as you continue to melt the sacrum onto the block. And if it feels okay, you'll explore with slowly extending the right leg forward. And then maybe play with extending the left leg forward. Find a gentle back bend here. Toes can fall away from each other as you now start to explore taking the arms up over your head and into the mouth. Let the backs of the hands rest on the earth. Find some length in the front of the torso as you continue to allow the sacrum to press into the block. Take a deep breath in. Long, slow breath out. Moving the spine into all 6 directions. So we can move into flexion, now moving into extension, now to lateral movement. We'll take one more breath here. Long breath out. Slowly you'll start to bring the hands back down by your side, palms facing down. Slowly bend the right knee, sole of the right foot meets the mat. Bend the left knee, sole of the left foot meets the mat. Press into your feet, lift your hips. Let it slide that block out from underneath. Hips come all the way back down. We'll find one more set of those windshield wipers, so hands move out of the way. And then both knees towards the right. The back through center. Extending from back through center, hold here. Start to pull the right knee in towards your chest. And extend the left leg long. This time the left heel releases. Left hand comes to the right knee. Right arm opens up, palm facing down. Take an inhale, and as you exhale, that right knee is going to come across your body towards the left side. The right shoulder might lift, and just allow gravity to take over as you float it down, gazes towards the right fingertips. Hold here. Take a quick scan of that bottom leg as you allow it to melt and surrender. The left hand can continue to press into the right knee as you melt it down even more. 3 deep full breaths here. In and out. Just like that. Breathe in. Out. One more inhale. One more exhale. And slowly bring it back to the center, the right knee comes in. Switch. Left knee comes in towards the chest, right leg extends, right knee releases, left arm opens up, and when you're ready, you draw the left knee across your body towards the right, the left shoulder lifts, and you deepen your relationship with the force of gravity as you allow it to melt down towards the earth and your mouth. Keep towards your left hand, and take 3 breaths here. Okay? Out. A gentle rock here, side to side. And just allow everything to collapse out towards the right side, into a fetal position. And then you can use that top hand to press yourself up. Slowly come back into a seat. Easy cross leg or anything that feels comfortable. Hands can rest gently in the lap. Bring your hands to your heart. And as you exhale, you bow chin to chest.